heavy skies, they press me down. Shadows curl and weave around. The clock ticks slow, but I can't feel time. I hold my breath, it tastes like stone. Every step a crack on my bones. The wind, it howls, it speaks my name. Can you hear it? The silence breaking through. Can you feel it? The storm inside of you. Frozen whispers, hearts like ice, buried deep where fire dies. Frozen whispers, cold and clear, echo loud when love's not near. The ground, it grows beneath my weight. Each path I choose leads back to fate. I scream, but the air just swallows whole. Can you hear it? The silence breaking through. Can you feel it? A storm inside of you.
is high, but my heart is low. stuck in the dark where the shadows grow. I tried to run, but my feet won't go. This heavy ache won't leave me alone. I hear the wind, it whispers my name, calling me back to where I came. Oh, these midnight blues, they cut so deep, they steal my breath, they haunt my sleep. I can't outrun, I can't undo the way you love the midnight blues. A bottle's empty, but it don't heal the kind of pain that's too raw to conceal. Every chord on this old guitar feels like a wound, leaves another scar. The streetlight flickers